If your contact's hanging while you're on vacation, create an automated message including information about when you'll return. Before I start this video, kindly subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell icon, so that you can get all the latest videos and updates instantly. Let's go ahead and get into the video. Whether you're on vacation, an extended leave, or away on business, you'll want to alert contacts that you're not available. It's polite, but more importantly, you're keeping contacts informed. If you're using Outlook on Exchange or online mail, the process is quick. You'll work harder if you're not on Exchange. In this video, I'll include instructions for creating an automatic out-of-office reply for both non-Exchange and Exchange users. I'm using Office 365 Desktop on a Windows 10 64-bit system, but both methods will work in earlier versions. If you're not on Exchange, your automated reply has two steps. First, you must create a message template. Then, you'll set up a rule that sends that message in reply to received messages. First, let's create the message template. Open a new mail message by clicking New Email in the New group on the Home tab. Leave the To in CC blank. Enter the subject, say, Out of Office. Then, enter a relevant and meaningful message. If possible, tell them when they can expect a reply and offer other contacts if they can't wait until you return. Keep in mind that this response is going to everyone who emails you, even people you don't know. So keep information to a minimum and be careful what you share. Keep the message short if possible. click File and choose Save As. Choose Outlook template, oft. From the Save As type drop-down, change the name for the template message, if you like. Otherwise, it defaults to the subject text. Click Save and close the message window. You don't need to confirm the save. After creating the template, you need a rule that sends it. You can create this. Just follow these steps. On the Home tab, click Rules in the Move group, and from the drop-down, choose Manage Rules and Alerts. Click the Email Rules tab. Click New Rule. In the Start from a Blank Rules section, at the bottom, select Apply Rule on Messages I Receive and click Next. Under Step 1, select Condition. Check the condition where my name is in the To box and click Next, or check the Where my name is in the To or CC box, but that's overkill for most of us. In the next pane, check Reply using a specific template and then click the link. Under Step 2, edit the rule description. From the Look in the drop-down in the resulting dialog, choose User Templates and File System. Select Out of Office. Click Open and then click Next. Under Step 1, select Exceptions. Make sure to accept if an automatic reply is checked and click Next. Click Finish. If you didn't enable the rule, you can do so in a simple way. When you're ready, on the Home tab, click Rules in the Move group and choose Manage Rules and Alerts from the drop-down. Click the Email Rules tab. Find the rule in the list and make sure it's checked, and click OK. When you return from vacation, repeat the above steps and uncheck the out-of-office rule. So, that is how to create an out-of-office reply in Outlook. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you in next episode of Get Smart. Peace.